Welcome to this video where we will cover 40 common English words related to health issues, helping you understand and use these terms more effectively. Upset stomach. Upset stomach. She had an upset stomach after eating something bad. Itchy skin. Itchy skin. The itchy skin made her want to scratch constantly. Fever. Fever. She stayed home from work because she had a fever. Cough. Cough. He couldn't stop coughing after catching a cold. Headache. Headache. He had a headache after staring at the computer for too long. Nausea. Nausea. She felt nausea after eating the spicy food. Dizziness. Dizziness. He felt dizziness after standing up too quickly. Fatigue. Fatigue. She felt extreme fatigue after the long hike. Sore throat. Sore throat. His sore throat made it hard for him to speak. Rash. Rash. The rash on her skin was red and itchy. Allergies. Allergies. His allergies acted up during the spring. Asthma. Asthma. She used her inhaler because of her asthma. Back pain. Back pain. He had back pain after lifting heavy boxes. Vomiting. Vomiting. Vomiting can be a sign of a stomach bug. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. He had diarrhea after eating too much junk food. Insomnia. Insomnia. Insomnia made it hard for him to get a good night's sleep. Depression. Depression. Depression can make it difficult to enjoy daily activities. Anxiety. Anxiety. She felt anxiety before her big presentation. Hypertension. Hypertension. Hypertension can lead to heart problems if not controlled. Diabetes. Diabetes. Managing diabetes involves monitoring blood sugar levels. Arthritis. Arthritis. Arthritis causes pain and swelling in the joints. Migraine. Migraine. A migraine can cause intense headaches and light sensitivity. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Pneumonia makes it hard to breathe and can cause chest pain. Ulcer. Ulcer. An ulcer can cause stomach pain and discomfort. Cold. Cold. A cold usually involves a runny nose and sneezing. Sinusitis. Sinusitis. Sinusitis causes facial pain and blocked nasal passages. Anemia. Anemia. Anemia can cause tiredness and weakness. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis makes bones weak and fragile. Stroke. Stroke. A stroke happens when blood flow to the brain is interrupted. Heart attack. Heart attack. A heart attack occurs when the blood supply to the heart is blocked. Chronic. Chronic. Chronic conditions require ongoing treatment. Acute. Acute. An acute illness develops quickly and needs quick treatment. Infection. Infection. An infection can cause fever and swelling. Cancer. Cancer. Cancer involves abnormal cell growth that can spread. Seizure. Seizure. A seizure is an episode of uncontrolled brain activity. Fainting. Fainting. He felt dizzy and then started fainting. Constipation. Constipation. Constipation makes it difficult to pass stools regularly. Gallstones. Gallstones. Gallstones can cause pain in the abdomen and digestive problems. Acid reflux. Acid reflux. Acid reflux causes stomach acid to come up into the esophagus, leading to heartburn. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.